I love talking about AMS Landscaping and our mission and values. And that's what this video is about. Just to go over it here, I've got it right behind me, obviously. Our number one mission is keeping yards hassle-free and enjoyable while we're building a wonderful and fun place to work where people love their jobs. And why this is so important, we want our clients to be able to enjoy the space that they have at their yard. And we know that keeping our employees happy is key to doing this. So as we've scaled and grown, we've realized this is our main focus, our main goal, and we use our values to hold this all together. And the first value, of course, is positive and fun. We love positive energy. We love being around people that enjoy coming to work, and we want it to be fun. We want it to be not a dread to come into the office and come in and get the jobs done here at each of our properties. And we know that if our team is happy and enjoying themselves, having fun and being positive, it's gonna be a reflection of AMS Landscaping, and you'll see it while we are servicing your property. And more importantly, it'll just show up in the way that your yard even looks. So number two value is just taking ownership. We're big advocates of just taking ownership of your mistakes, learning from your mistakes. We have a big value here that, like, hey, what mistake did you make today that you learned from? We actually call mistakes investments here. We want to be able to learn from our mistakes, grow, and become a better company because of it. And that's one of our strong values that we hold dear here at AMS Landscaping. Hunger for growth. We want you to be able, as a team member, to know that we're looking to grow, so there's opportunity for them, and also just grow as a company where we just grow and learn new things so that we can offer it to our clients and also just be a better value for our customers. So it's a big key to our growth. Also, exceeding expectations, just going above and beyond. It's the little things that matter, the things that can't even be described, that really we ask our teams each morning, hey, what did you do? What is a thing above and beyond that you did at your client's house that they'll be like, wow, I didn't think that they would do that, but they took care of it. Maybe it's rolling up the hose or pulling the trash bin back to the house, or putting something back that got moved through the service. These little things that we really want to go above and beyond with so that we stand out as a company. Lastly, work smart. We just want to be efficient at what we do. We want to be able to run an efficient business so that we can be efficient and give the most value to our customers, and keeping both our customers and our team happy. This is kind of where it's synergistic for us here at AMS Landscaping, where we can provide the value for both our teams and our customers and make a win-win for everybody. So these are the values that we stand behind. This is how we hire. This is how we want to show, our best foot forward for our clients, and know that this is how we lead. This is how we run our business. I always tell the team that the values are the boss when no one's looking. So if you're aligned with our values, whenever you can't think of how to answer something with a client, just stick with our values, and they usually hold true. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here at AMS Landscaping at azlawns.com. Please subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channels at AMS Landscaping, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.